Hello everyone, and today's learning intention in STEAM is, can I make a gorilla sanctuary? So we need to be thinking about what we did last lesson. We need to think about what a sanctuary is, what things that we put in our sanctuary. We need to think about the budget that we had. Does your sanctuary have enough budget? Have you spent too much? So maybe even before we start making our sanctuary, you need to look over your plan. Double check that you've put down everything that you will need, because that was our plenary for the last lesson, wasn't it? To decide what we need in order to build this sanctuary. If you haven't done that already, have a think about it now. What things will you need? Cardboard. If you wanted to make it out of a shoebox, you could. Tissue paper, paint, pens, scissors, glue, tape. All of these different things that you will need to make your sanctuary. Now again, because this is such an open project, you can sort of do what you want with it. I guess you can, if you didn't have things to build a sanctuary, you could maybe draw them. You could draw the sanctuary again, but maybe you wanted to make it a bit more detailed. These are sort of some ideas. I know they aren't quite the same as a sanctuary, but you've got some of them that have maybe fences around them. You've got trees. So if you had toy trees anyway, you could put them instead. You could make them out of cardboard. You could make the ground out of sort of tissue paper, or it could just be paint. We've even got sort of like lollipop sticks or bits of wood. So yeah, because it's such an open-ended project for you to do, I've just given you a few pictures of some ideas of the sort of things that you could use, the material you could use. I like the idea of they've made a little pond there just by adding some cardboard. Cardboard here, lollipop sticks, different coloured pieces of paper. Okay, so this project to make the sanctuary is totally up to you as to what you do, what you use. Okay.